Eating?
No, I can't.
Yeah, say, what do
Look,
you...
they match.
What match?
Blue and blue.
Good job with your colors. What are you eating right now? What are those things? How many do you have in your mouth? Can you say, I love you, Nan and Grandpa, with your mouth full of fruit snacks?
I love you, Nan and Grandpa.
I miss you.
I see you.
Miss you.
I miss you.
Don't do that.
Annabelle, you want to tell your knock-knock joke we learned today?
Oh, I haven't heard it. Let me hear it.
Go.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Lettuce.
Lettuce who?
Lettuce, knock, knock. Lettuce in.
Oh, good one.
I'm going to do it to you.
Okay.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Lettuce.
Lettuce who?
Lettuce in.
Oh, that's a good one.
Let's try that again.
Okay. Tell Nan and Grandpa into the camera.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Chicken.
Chicken who?
Chicken. Lettuce in. I'm going to do it with you.
Well, what's the other
Wait,
joke
wait.
about the chicken that you know?
Hey, you should... What's the
I
other...
don't know.
Can you tell Nan and Grandpa what you said you wanted to be when you grew up?
No.
No? Okay.
Well, why not? Why don't you tell them?
I don't want to.
Okay.
No, do that. Don't.
Let
No,
me-
I don't want to.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.